Today we are looking at the GLC facelifted variant, which is the GLC 220D, the specific variant. It's a 4MATIC. It's got a power output of 194 bhp and a 400 Nm torque output, mated to a 9-speed gearbox. So we'll be looking at the features, the facelifted MBUX, the touchscreen. You can start off from the right side here with the 8-way adjustable electrical seat. We've got lock and unlock buttons right here. We've got your controls for all the windows, and we've got your controls for the mirrors, for the outside rear view mirrors. We've also got the switch for your headlights. So this is on auto. If we turn it to the right, we can switch on all the high beams. On the left side, we've got the daytime running lights, and on the left we've got the light for the rear fog light. Down we've got the electronic handbrake that can be released from here, and we've got the engine start stop button. If you look at the center, we've got the direct select lever, which is the gear stick. We've got the controls for the center screen, so you can use the center screen from here. Anything, navigation, radio, media, everything, your trip meters can be checked from there. We've also got the controls for the cruise control, and on the left side we've got another toggles that is for your MBUX screen. So MBUX screen can also be controlled via this touchpad. Also, we've got the volume up and down here, and the answer and cut the calls, the button for that, in case your Bluetooth or your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto is connected. So as we can see, we've got the controls for the air conditioning unit. We've got your AC controls. It's got a 2-zone thermotronic climate control, so 2 zones of the climate control. We've also got your airflow, increase decrease in airflow, your direction of the flow, your rear defogger, front defogger, and sync if we need to sync the entire car's temperature to one temperature. We've also got all the buttons right here for your navigation, radio, media. We've also got an additional electronic, we've got a touchpad right here. So this touchpad can control the center screen in case you do not want to use the touchscreen, or you've got a touchscreen also which can be used. Also, we've got the buttons for the Eco Start Stop, the manual mode, the parking sensors to turn it on and off, and we've got a dynamic select switch which is to select the driving mode. So if we see, you can see we've got the 4 driving modes: Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Individual in this car. Also, we've got a button for the volume up and down. We've got a button to turn on and off the entire console in the center, and we've got this is the automatic parking assist. So there's another video for the automatic parking assist that y'all can refer to for that, and this is to turn off the traction control. This car has also got the 64 color ambient light that can be adjusted from here. So we just click here, go to color, and we've got the ambient lighting. So I can change the lights to whatever color we require. You can see it is really bright and illuminates the entire cabin at night. Also on top, we've got the SOS button for the Mercedes Me Connect. We've got the interior cabin lights, front and back. We've got the reading lights on both the sides. We've also got a sunglass holder right here, and we've got the button for the sunroof. So we can see the sunroof blind can be opened or closed, both front and back. And similarly, the blinds can be opened both front and back together. And on the second click, as we see here, on the second click, we can open the sunroof itself. So we can see the car also comes with a voice command system, which I'll be showing to you all right now. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Ambient light blue.
Okay, I am changing the color.
So as you can see, the car has changed the color itself. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Temperature 16 degrees.
I'm setting the temperature on the driver's side to 16 degrees.
So we can see it changes the temperature as well. So it does many such controls. There are over 60 controls that can be operated. Your navigation, your AC controls, your lighting in the car, everything can be controlled via the voice command technology. It is the latest technology and it works brilliantly. You can also see that we've got this Type-C port for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and next to that we've got a deep pocket for your wireless charger right here. Other than that, we've also got place to store some more stuff, and we've got 2 more charging outlets inside the center console. Now we are in the rear of the car, so we can see we've got 2 AC vents right here in the rear. We've also got your side blinds that can be put up, and we've got your 9-speaker midline sound system. We've also got a center panel that can be put down. It's got cup holders on both the sides, and it's got a small storage unit inside. Also, we've got 2 more USB charging outputs right here, along with another 12-volt charger. So we can see that the car is loaded with a lot of charging outlets, so you can always keep your devices charged. And the ambient lights on the side, you can see it's much brighter. Since it's darker at the rear, you can see how bright the ambient lights, and it gives you a really good mood. This is the front end of the car. So the car comes with high performance LED headlights that look really good. The car comes with the Distronic, which is the active brake assist, and it comes with beautiful 19-inch alloy wheels all around. You can see this is the new design of the alloy wheel, and this is the facelifted rear end of the car. Start. So we can see, I'll just open up the rear tailgate. It's a powered electric tailgate in the facelifted rated version. So we can see we have a very generous boot. It's a huge boot space. We've got a boot lid right here. Also, we've got now the spare wheel of the car. Earlier used to come on the top. Now it's embedded down. So you've got the spare wheel, everything down. You've got your jack, everything is inside. So you can use the entire boot space. Also, the rear seats can be folded with just a touch of a button in case you need to really have some big luggage. It's just one click of a button and the rear seats can be put down. So you get a huge generous boot. Also, we can see, as I said, it's an electronic tailgate. So we just click here and the tailgate goes. So it gives you a very convenient feature.